Hey folks, Mike here, Mike Duncan. Thanks for tuning in. And today I've got another video that I hope you're going to find of value, and I hope it's something that you're going to be able to use in your everyday marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to make any Facebook image post clickable for free. Okay, and in doing so, you're going to drastically increase your click-through rate for free. Okay, since yesterday. June 18, 2019, all of my promotional Facebook posts, also posts in groups and posts on my own pages, all of my promotional posts are all going to be done using this app or website, whatever you want to call it, that I'm going to go through and show you in a minute. First of all, do me a good deed and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching it on YouTube. Leave me a comment below. Okay, if you're watching it on Facebook, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave a comment as well. Add me on Facebook, that would be really cool. Below the description, in the description below this video, you'll find a ton of links. Okay, there's going to be links to my Facebook page, there'll be my email, my phone number, anything. So if you want to reach out, if you want to get in touch with me, I love to chat. Okay, you might find that out. But okay, I want to get on with this video because I don't want it to be drag on for too long, because it's a really easy thing to do. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to show you. This is one of the posts. I'm on one of my Facebook pages right now, and this is one of the posts that I made on there, and I've also shared it in some groups that I've used using this app. Now, if I can just show you, I don't know if you remember a little while back, you could do, Facebook was amazing. It still is amazing, but you could do so much more than you can now because they just want you to pay all the time for Facebook ads. So it's a minefield. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to be spending money like no one's business. Okay, but these look so professional. They look like ads, and they're going to get you. They're going to increase your click-through rate unbelievably. Now, if you remember, you used to be able to. I call this a little bit of real estate down here. And a lot of people used to miss out on this because you used to be able to edit that so you could put any text in there that you wanted. Well, you can't anymore. Okay, you used to be able to post a link. So let me go up here, right? So you used to be able to post a link. So let me find a link. Okay, so I'm going to copy that link. And you used to be able to post a link in your Facebook on, in a post. So paste a link in there, and it used to bring up an image. Okay, and if you didn't like that image, you could come down here and change it. You can't do that anymore. It's just it's just a minefield. It's just a nightmare. Okay, so I found this post yesterday, this website yesterday, and I think it's absolutely awesome. So I'm going to go over there now. It's called anyimage.io. Okay, so write that down. Anyimage.io. No idea what the IO is. I don't know whether it's a country, where it's registered or what. I don't know. But okay, this has been around for a little while, and it's going to enable you to make any image on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn and Google Plus. It's going to make it a clickable, a click-through link, so you can send people that click on that link anywhere you want. Okay, and I'm going to show you now exactly how it works. So first thing you're going to need is an image. Okay, so you get I'm pretty new to this, so I know what Facebook size images are and Twitter size images and things like that. So I'm guessing they're going to be the same when you put them on here. So you might have to mess around with the image sizes. So one of the companies or one of the businesses that I'm involved in, we have some internet training, some marketing training every Thursday. So I'm going to actually make a post now for that training. Okay, so all you need to do is you need an image. Now I've got an image already set up in my files. See, Facebook size pictures here. Oh, where's it gone? but I'm going to have to scroll down these now. I had it all set up and waiting. I tell you what, you can drag and drop, so I'm going to go over here. Here we go. Okay, so here's an image I'm going to use. It doesn't really matter what image it is for this trading. And what you need to do, you just need to drag that image over here and drop it. Okay, so that's loaded that image. If you scroll down, you can actually see the image now. You can move this around. Okay, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the rotation. Okay, but I think where it is now, that's absolutely perfect. Okay, and then what you need is a title. You've got, let's have a look, 115 words for your title. Let's bring that down there. Again, I've got this already set up. So I'm just going to paste that in there. You're invited to a free marketing masterclass. Then you need a description. You've got 140 characters for your description. Once again, I've got one I made earlier. Okay, so you just take the description and you paste that in there. Okay, so I've only used 107 of the 140 there. And now you need a URL or a link, your affiliate link, wherever you want to send people. You can send them to a YouTube video. You can send them to anything you like. Okay, so again, I've got a link already set up. So I'm just going to copy that, paste that in there. And that's all done, basically. Card size, I have no idea what that means. Let's have a look. You've got large or small. Small, oh, it makes it, okay. Yeah, not sure. Not sure I like the look of that. So we're going to stick with large. Now, before I click finish, you just want to have a final check and see what this says. Now, this is what it's going to look like when you load it or when you paste it in the group or on Facebook, basically. Okay, and it's going to be a clickable image. Okay, so you can move it across, do whatever you want, check, make sure that's okay. If you want to edit anything, now is the time to do it, and you come up here and you can edit it. Okay, so next thing to do is you click finish, and it's going to take. Okay, I have actually got an account, and I'll explain that to you in just a minute or two. Click finish. So that's uploading the system. And there's my link here. Okay, now, yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. So there's my link. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to my Facebook page. Get rid of that link. I don't want that in there. Just refresh it. Okay, so there you paste that link that you got from anyimage.io. Just wait for it to populate, and there you have it. Okay, you can put a few words in there. Live training tonight at 10 p.m. EST. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Okay, live training tonight at 10 p.m. Don't miss it. Okay, now before you post it, you want to get rid of that link. Actually, no, I'm just going to pop that back in there. I'm just going to copy that and get rid of that link. You don't want any horrible nasty links, and then share it. Okay, just give it a few moments to load up. There you go. Okay, now you've got that link. You can keep that link, and you can use that link now to go and post it in your Facebook groups or wherever you want to post it, on your profile, absolutely anywhere. Now this is This is a completely professional looking and clickable link. Okay, all you need to do, you can actually put it in there if you wanted to. You could just say live training tonight at 10 p.m. So don't miss it. Click the image below. Okay, just let them know. And they'll just click it, and it takes them through to the capture page, where they'll go through to the next part of the sales funnel. They'll put their email address in there, and then they'll go straight through to the sales training. Okay. Now this is real training that I offer, that the company I'm with actually offer, by the way. So if you want to have a look at this, there will be a link below that you can have a look at, and just go and have a look. But basically that is it. Okay, that's how, using any image.io, you can. I'm going to copy that just one more time because I want to save it. You can save these links. Yeah, you can save these links and use them over and over and over again. Okay, so I've saved that. Thursday training, click here, top, pop, 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 pop. That's perfect. Okay, so yeah, you can save these links and use them over and over again. Now, let's have a look at anyimage.io. It's a free, 100% free. You don't have to create an account. You don't have to log in. But if you don't log in, you can only make one link. Okay, if that's all you want to do, that's fine. You can have a free account. Let me just go into my dashboard and I'll show you accounts. Right, and get out of there. Let's go to my dashboard. Okay, no worries. Let's go to my account and I'll just show you. There's 3 plans with this. There's the free plan, okay, and you can make 10 links per month. That might be more than you need. Okay, if you've only got one business that you're promoting, that might be all that you need. Okay, so you've got 10 links that you can make each month. They're called cards, but there's 10 links you can make each month. I literally just upgraded. Okay, I pay $8.99 a month. Excuse me. You can pay yearly, it's a little bit cheaper. And for that, you can make 500 links each month. Okay, so you can make 500 links each month, and you get all of this as well. You get access to a dashboard, you can track your links, and you get a custom domain. I haven't looked into that yet, but it's there. So I'm just going to show you the dashboard, what I mean. Okay, so according to this, I've created one card. Okay, because all the other ones I did yesterday were done using the free version. I've had 2 clicks already. That might be me, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, you can use the free plan, and you can make 10 links per month. Okay, still, that's probably more than most people are going to need, because you can use them over and over again. Now these links are stored and they're live for 60 days. if they're not clicked on, they expire after 60 days. As long as they're clicked on at least twice in that 60 days, then they will carry on for another 60 days. Okay, so if they're getting clicks, you don't need to worry about them. You can just use them and use them and use them. Okay, if they're not getting clicks, they're no good anyway, so they will expire. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so listen, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like if you're watching this on Facebook. If you've got any questions, reach out to me. You'll have all my contact details. I'm very approachable. Let me know if there's anything else that you want me to make a video on. I'm always looking for subjects to make videos on. And yeah, that's me signing out. I'm going to go off to the pub. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.